Hit you with that do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hit you with that do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
If I could escape, I would, but first of all, let me say I must apologize for acting sick and treating you this way. Cause I've been acting like sour milk on the floor at your fire and shut the refrigerator. Maybe that's the reason I've been acting so cold. If I could escape, recreate a place that's my own world, and I could be your favorite girl forever, perfectly together. Now tell me what I want, that'd be sweet. If I could be sweet, I know I've been a real bad girl. I didn't mean for you to get hurt. So ever we can make it better. Now tell me what I want, that'd be sweet, sweet and scared. You held me down, I'm at my lowest boiling point. Come help me out, I need to get me out of this joint. Come on, let's bounce, counting on you to turn me around. Instead of clowning around, let's look for some common ground. So baby, times get a little crazy, I can get a little lazy, hoping for you to come and save me. I can tell that you're angry by the way that you treat me. Hopefully you don't leave me, wanna take you with me. If I could escape and recreate a place that's my own world, and I could be your favorite girl forever, perfectly together. Now tell me, boy, now won't that be sweet?
I'm frosting. I don't need a man to make my life sweet. Prince Charming just isn't the one that I think I need. You're thirsty. You think I give out all my shit for free. I'm bursting out laughing at idiocy. I need a gingerbread man, what I'll feed. A gingerbread man, the one I'll eat. One who's always crazy, never calls me baby. That's the one that I want. All you boys are not. Can't you see?